Hi, I'm John from Behringer here at InfoComm 2012, and I have some really exciting news here. The Behringer X32 is going to be shipping very soon, and we have it right here. So let's go over some of the features. You actually have 32 Midas design mic preamps on here. You have 25 motorized faders. And the way this is all laid out is you have your channel strip up here, so whatever channel is selected, you can control your mic preamp, your high-pass filter, your gate and dynamics. You also have 4-band parametric EQ on every channel. Here's your bus sends. You have 16 bus sends, as well as 16 analog outputs on the back of the board. And then on the right-hand side of the board here is where your output faders are. You have a channel strip on your output faders as well. So on your mix buses, you have a 6-band parametric EQ as well as dynamics. The board also features a virtual effects rack, which has 8 stereo slots for plenty of reverb. You can run 4 stereo reverbs, delays, and also have 8 graphic EQs going all at the same time. We also have a built-in 32 by 32 channel FireWire and USB interface, which makes the X32 perfect for the stage and the studio. Another really great part about the X32 is the S16 digital stage box, which connects via Clark Technic's AES50 technology. Allows you to get all of your 32 inputs and your 16 outputs onto the stage over a single Cat5 cable. So yeah, this is the Behringer X32. This is the result of a great collaboration with our colleagues over at Midas Clark Technic. We're really excited about it, and I look forward in stores next month.